Lifestyle changes to manage peptic ulcers. Welcome guys, I hope you are doing well. Peptic ulcers are a global issue affecting millions of people. This video discusses lifestyle changes to manage peptic ulcer pain effectively. 1. Stress management. The worsening of peptic ulcer symptoms due to stress is not a secret. Consequently, achieving efficacy in stress management is imperative in the case of this condition. Integrating daily relaxation practices, including deep breathing exercises, meditation, and yoga, is advisable. 2. Cessation of smoking. Prolonged smoking impedes healing and elevates the likelihood of developing peptic ulcers. Quitting smoking is crucial for improved ulcer management and overall health if you are a smoker. 3. Limit alcohol consumption. Ulcer symptoms may be exacerbated by increased acid secretion and irritation of the stomach mucosa caused by excessive alcohol consumption. Alcohol consumption should be minimal. Women should not exceed 1 drink per day, while males should not exceed 2 drinks per day. 4. Medication avoidance. Specific food items can potentially induce or worsen symptoms of peptic ulcer in specific individuals. Certain food items, including fatty or fried foods, caffeinated beverages, for example, coffee and tea, spicy foods, and citrus fruits, should be restricted or completely avoided. 5. Sustain a healthy body weight. Excessive weight has been associated with an augmented likelihood of peptic ulcer formation and can impede the healing process of pre-existing ulcers. With consistent physical activity and a healthy diet, it is possible to maintain a healthy weight. 6. Ensure sufficient sleep. Insufficient sleep diminishes immune function and heightens stress levels, detrimentally affecting efforts to manage peptic ulcers. Along with the conventional medical interventions and do-it-yourself strategies previously discussed in this article, link, you will significantly advance the management of your peptic ulcers by incorporating the above lifestyle modifications.